Now let us start with the solution of an equation, means how to get the solution for an equation. Now here one figure is drawn. So in this figure or in this picture, this is, suppose here is the school, here is the house, and in between school and house there is a shop. Okay. So the distance between the school and house is 300 meter. The distance between school and house is 300 meter, and in between school and house there is a one shop, and the distance between the shop to house is 190 meter. Okay. So this all information is given in the picture above. So now if I ask what will be the distance between the school and shop, okay, so you have to find the distance between school and the shop. So we do not know the distance between school and shop, but we know the distance from school to house and shop to house. Okay. So in such case what we have to do is that you have to use a letter for a instead of number, means which distance we have to find, that let us consider that distance we have to consider is one letter in that place. Okay. And the suppose here I choose x, mostly students we choose the letter x in, means you can take or you can choose any letter from A to Z, but while finding an equations mostly we use x, y, z, a, b, c, these letters. Okay. So here I use small x. For what I use small x, again I will tell. To find the distance between school and shop, I use the letter instead of number. So here you have to consider x is a number only, though it is a letter, but instead of in letter here we have to find the number. Okay. So if I say then this school to shop and shop to house, okay, this addition must come 300 meter, isn't it? So can I write like this, x plus 190 must be equal to 300, isn't it? See, x plus 190 is equal to total distance, that is 300 meter. So I have written this in the form of an equation. It means that the value of x or the distance between the shop and the school is x meter, and that distance we do not know. That distance we do not know. So here we have to find the value of x. Here we do not know the value of x, that means we have to find the value of x here. Okay. So you must try to get the value of x here. For example, then you have different choices here. So if you want both the numbers addition must be 300. So if I choose suppose 70 here, instead of x I choose 70. So find the suppose x is equal to 70. Then if I wrote 70 instead of x, then 70 plus 190. What is the answer? 70 plus 190 is 260, isn't it? 70 plus 190 is 260. But I want 300. I told you what is an equation. Both the panels or both the sides answer must be equal. Then only we can give this equality signs. Okay. So if I write 70 instead of x, can we get the 300? No. So value of 70 is wrong. Okay. Then I will take 150 instead of x. Instead of x, value of x I will take 150. So let me find 150 plus 190. 150 plus 190, what will be the answer? Then 340, isn't it? 340. So is it equal to 300? No, it came bigger than 300. So this also we cannot take value of x. 150 is also wrong, because this is the greater than the right hand side. What we want, this side also answer must be 300. then only we can get equation. So finally I will choose 110 for this. So if I 110 is equal to 110 plus 190 if I take, then I get 300, isn't it? That means both the sides answer will be equal. Means instead of x I choose 110, then only I get the proper equation. So that means in an equation a letter is sometimes used in place of number, and a letter is used sometimes in place of number. A value for the letter has to be found that will make an equation balanced. Then we have to find the value for this letter. So value means any number we have to find, and then only that equation will be balanced. Such a letter is called variable. This letter is called variable. Here in mathematics, this letter in an equation is known as a variable. The value of the variable which balances or satisfies the equation, is called the solution. So which value satisfies here for x? That is 110. So to solve an equation means what? Is to find the value of the variable in the equation or to find the solution to the equation, isn't it? Are you getting? See, to solve an equation means what? If I say solve an equation means what you have to do, students? You have to find the value of the variable. You must find the value of a variable in the equation. That means you have to solve the equation, and that is only called the solution, to find the solution of the equation. So in this example, what we get? The solution of the equation is 110. The solution of the equation is 110. That means value of x is 110. So like this we have now, but we don't have time always to just to think which value will come, and then we cannot waste our time to find the value of variable by taking different values. Okay. So instead of that, what we have to do is that there is one solution, let us find.